Hey guys, my name is Anuradha. Welcome to our channel GK Guidance and Knowledge. Happy morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about disaster management in India. Our today's question is evaluate the disaster preparedness and management of cyclone in India. It's about recent cyclone of Tauktae. This question can be asked in GS paper 1 and GS paper 3 under the headings of disaster management, cyclone and important geophysical phenomena. You can start with recent cyclone or disaster management in India and other important things which you think about it. Start with that. So let's start. Our introduction be, you can add this map in that. Our introduction would be India is highly vulnerable to natural disasters, especially cyclones, earthquake, flood, landslide and drought. Natural disasters cause a loss of 2% of GDP every year in India. According to Home Ministry, 8% of total area in India is prone to cyclones. The recent cyclone in Arabian Sea are Cyclone Vayu in 2019, Nisarg in 2020 and Tauktae in 2021. Recent one which hit Gujarat recently. Cyclone preparedness and management in India. Indian Meteorological Department IMD is nodal agency for the early warning cyclone or flood. The Natural Disaster Management Authority is mandated to deal with the disaster management in India. It has prepared national guidelines on management of cyclones. The National Cyclone Risk Mitigation Project NCRMP, which launched by the Ministry of Home to upgrade the forecasting, tracking and warning about cyclone in states. Then National Disaster Response Force NDRF has done a commendable performance in rescuing and managing relief work. The National Disaster Response Force Reserve NDRR, a fund of 250 crore operated by NDRF, maintaining inventory for the situation, for emergency situation. Then in 2016, a blueprint of National Disaster Management Plan was unveiled to tackle disaster. It provides a framework to deal with prevention, mitigation, response and recovery during disaster. According to the plan, Ministry of Earth Science will be responsible for the disaster management of cyclone. By this plan, India joined the list of countries which follow the Sendai framework for disaster management, disaster risk reduction 2015 to 2030. Due to increased awareness and tracking of cyclone, the death toll will be reduced subsequently. Then problems in disaster management or preparedness in India. Historically, from the British period onward, disaster management in India is largely confined to post-disaster relief work. It is more about management than prevention. 1/3 of our population in India lives in coastal area. Most of them are marginalized people who are ill prepared and unable to cope up with disaster. There is lack of proper coordination between the center and state governments and its agencies. Then lack of awareness of people about the impact and magnitude of the disaster. Then mining and other industries in the ecological sensitive area, lack of compliances with zoning and binding building regulation code is increasing the death toll. There are also a lack of coordination between the local community for search and rescue missions. Then what are the measures we need to take? There is a need to harmonize the national and local level disaster relief bylaws, land use zoning, then resource planning, then early warning system establishment and technical competence, like recently done by Assam. Early warning system for flood. Government should take commonalities from success stories and institutionalize it. For example, Build Back Better program of Gujarat government after 2001 earthquake. Then disaster risk reduction should be important should be an important aspect of global poverty reduction initiative. Then moving from the risk blind approach to risk informed decision when it comes to investment. Then there should be a disaster risk audit and further development project for the both public and private entities. Then disaster risk reduction program should be more people centric. Then there is need for private partnership private sector partnership in designing and implementing policies and plans with standards. Need of disaster management program to be inclusive, including women, civil society and academic. Then government should increase their engagement with scientific research institutions for better formulation of policies. Then our conclusion would be nature is unpredictable. Nothing is in the world can withstand in its fury. Natural disasters come without warning. India should prepare to mitigate and defect the destruction caused by cyclone. For this, India need to employ more technologies, strict following the command structure, and most importantly, participation and cooperation of local communities in the affected area. So this is it for today. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also provide your suggestions to improve. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.